Welcome back. A package of balloons to fill them with helium and attach them to the bottom of our ceiling balloons. And let's see what happens with helium balloons on the ceiling fan. I don't know. It sounds pretty silly. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try.
Here we go. Let's do yellow, green, purple, and orange. Okay, there's no purple, but we'll do yellow first. Silly. Oh boy. And I've never even had this color before. It's like a yellow green, just like the ceiling fan punch balloons. Okay. Okay, let's get another one. Go! One for the purple
So silly.
Okay, we'll do a pink for the purple. Pink for the purple. Ready, set, go. Oh. No pink. No pink for the purple. Not so full. As big as the yellow and green. Oh. A little bit. But it's still fun. Orange is next. Learned my lesson and not to overinflate. Oh boy. Put the orange one on. The orange balloon. Helium balloons for the ceiling fan. That's silly. Let's turn the ceiling fan on. Whoa! That's pretty cool! Helium balloons on the ceiling fan. One more yellow one. Okay. We can do one more yellow one. Sure. Now. That yellow one has a good flow. Put our string on. Remember what happened in the last video, Christy? Don't let them go all the way to the ceiling. That's so silly. It's like a carnival ride. Look at them go. That's funny. That's really funny. Hey, thanks for watching Helium Ceiling Fan Balloons. I hope you liked it and had as much fun as I did. So long. It's like a carnival ride. Look at them go.